Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new makeup tutorial. Today we're doing Cleopatra, and I forgot to do the intro and outro, so you're going to be annoyed with me doing the voiceover. Without much rambling, I'm gonna get into it. So today I am using for the foundation the Lock-It Tattoo Foundation from Kat Von D in the shade Medium 54. As always, I'll have all the products listed down below in the description bar if you want to check them out. And I am applying the foundation with my favorite of all times, a blender, 3D HD blender from Sigma. For the eyebrows today, I am using the Sigma gel eyeliner instead of the brow products because I think Cleopatra had those bold brows. And I'm applying the gel liner with the Sigma small angled brush E65. I think this brush is absolutely amazing for the brow job. And I'm applying it boldly all over as I would normally do. Is just more intense and shade. As you can see, lined the upper and lower arch and then just fill it in. For the eye primer today, I'm using Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I love to use this as a base before I'm applying my eyeshadow because it's tacky, it dries fast, and it holds everything in place. On the brow bone, I'm applying Beaming from Too Faced Life's a Festival palette with a Sigma E04. On the crease, I'm using a Dust Till Dawn from the same palette, and I'm packing it on with my favorite Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm totally obsessed with this brush. I'm like using it for everything and every day, and I got like 5 more of them. Then with the eyeshadow control and the brush E63 from Sigma, I'm packing the black eyeshadow all over my crease to intensify where the crease is going to be at. Then with Sigma E65 brush and gel eyeliner Wicked from Sigma as well, I am tracing the line to where I want that cut crease to be. Then with Sigma L04, I am blending out the edges with a black eyeshadow, the same eyeshadow I used earlier. Then with a flat synthetic brush, I am cleaning up and cutting the crease, applying the same concealer I used before from Too Faced. Unfortunately, I don't know the name of this brush as it washed out over the time. I had it forever. And on my eyelid, I am using Fun in the Sun from the same Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. And on top of it, I'm adding EYELIGHTS from BH Cosmetics in the shade Chill Pill. For an even extra bling, I am adding NYX glitter. For the eyeliner, I'm using a Sigma small angled brush E65 and WIKED gel eyeliner. Slowly with small strokes, I am tracing the line. Also, a good tip would be if you're not confident on doing the eyeline yourself, a scotch would be very handy. You just place it parallel to the line you did on the crease. To intensify the gel eyeliner, I am adding a black eyeshadow with a Sigma Pencil E30 brush. For the mascara today, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. In the inner corner, I'm adding a Beaming from the same Too Faced palette with a Sigma E56. For the under eye, I'm adding concealer Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer with a brush, a soft blend concealer F64 from Sigma, and also highlighting my face with it. To set my concealer, I am using Lock-It from Kat Von D in the shade Golden, the brightening powder. For the under eye, I'm using Desert Vibes from the same Too Faced palette with BH Cosmetics blending brush. To create those thin lines in the inner corner of the eye, I'm using winged liner E06 from Sigma. I can't stress enough, this is hands down the best winged liner brush on the market. Thin, sharp, amazing. Makes my job so much easier. And as we all know, Cleopatra is known for those little swirls, little lines on the face. So for that, I'm using the winged liner E06 with gel eyeliner and then topping it with and making it even more prominent with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Popping some lashes, and today I'm using a 4345 from Models 21 eyelashes. To bronze, contour, and highlight, today I'm using Sigma SCULPT Highlight and Contour Palette. I seriously can't get enough of it. To contour my lips, today I'm using Crayon Color Show from Maybelline in the shade 100. Coloring my lips halfway through and then smooth them out, blend them a little bit to make that smooth transition and give that ombre look. In the inner side, I am adding the highlights from BH Cosmetics in the shade Chill Pill. Blend them together. Then with the NYX glitter glue, I am adding gold glitter. In the middle of my lower lip, I'm applying highlights from BH Cosmetics in the shade GNARLY with a brush F71. Then with the E65 brush, I'm adding black eye gel liner in the middle. And then in the middle of the black line, I'm adding the white grease paint from Creolon with Sigma E05 brush. And this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this. If you have a look in mind that you want me to create, let me know in the comments down below. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys!